of let's see how to take us in iPad 10th generation. In the first step, open Settings, later select Accessibility. Now choose Touch. In the next step, open Settings, later head to General, next choose Gestures. In the next step, hold the power key and volume up together. Now let go immediately after capturing, then locate the snapshot in Photos. In the next step, drag up from the bottom with Apple Pencil. Next, pick Full Page option if necessary. Then store or send as required. In the next step, capture a screenshot. Later, tap the small preview in the corner. Next, apply markup tools or send right away. You are good to go.